Okay, well, welcome to Mud Grip Mike. I'm still making progress on this old 56. Got the frame straight, painted. Got the engine running. How do you like my industrial air filter? That's off one of those face masks. Gas tank is still in limbo. But the big improvement today, and I did get new bolts on the shackle, rear axle there. Shackle, U-bolt, whatever you call it. But the big deal today is that master cylinder. Got new brake lines put on it. This brake, hold the brake. No brakes on the back. Fire. Going backwards. Stop. Regular master. That's the end of this little episode. Be ready to get that body fixed and put back on it. But as you can see, I have a lot of patching to do. I got sheet metal and a welding machine and desire, so I'll get it.